Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my another version of my JavaScript tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to work with arrays and objects in JavaScript. First of all, I'd like to define how array works in JavaScript. Arrays are special variables that are used to store multiple types of items. Items in this sense means different types of data data types in JavaScript. Uh, Let me create a new file to demonstrate that. I'm going to call it array.html. Clear my HTML tag arrays JavaScript arrays. So JavaScript arrays linked to a CSS style sheet script. And the source is the array.js. Then create a new file. Save it as array.js. Then I'm going to save it. So we'll notice in our previous example that when we declared a variable, we only store a single value inside the variable. But this time around, if you want to store multiple values inside a single variable, we're just going to use the array feature. So to save arrays in JavaScript, arrays JavaScript are declared in this way. So let's say this is an array, variable array, my array. Note that there are some reserved keywords in JavaScript that you cannot use as to declare variables. Though array is not one of them, but in order to emulate the habit of using words that are being used in JavaScript to avoid you having bugs in your code. So let's just prefix it in my array. So this is completely negates the fact that it's a JavaScript reserved keyword. So in this variable, I want to store multiple values. Let's say I want to store 3, which is a string, for an integer, a name, Ada, which is a string, then lastly, John, which is a name. This is a typical example of an array in JavaScript. Let's say I want to access the value 3 inside this my array variable. To access this in JavaScript, we call something index. Index is the position where values are inside an array, and it starts from 0. Like this 3 is at the index of 0, followed by 1, 2, 3, and so on, like that. So in order to access the value 3 inside this array, let's want to output inside my console. I'll just go console.log my array and put it inside 0. This is going to print out the value of 3. Name of the file is array.html. Can you see? Print out the value of 3. If I want to print out the value of Ada, that's going to be 2, because it starts from 0, 1, 2 into 2. And this is going to give me Ada as the value. Another thing I'm going to be showing you, remember in the last tutorial, I briefly mentioned attribute called length that I used to get the size of an array. Let's say I want to get the size of this array, my array. I will just call the name of the variable, then append the length property to it. This is going to print out the length. The length means the number of values that are inside the array. So this is meant to give me 4 as a response. Can you see 4? If I add another value to it, call number, this is going to increase and change to 5. I can also add a new value or replace the index, the value of an index in an array. let's say I have my array, um, my index 2, which is Ada, and I want to replace the value without necessarily having to come here and come and change it. I'll just do my array 2 and give it another value of Alex. If I come here and echo out my array 2, instead of it printing out Ada this time as Alex, then it's going to print out for me. Can you see? So print out Alex. This is not really advisable to change the value of it's not advisable to change the value of an index in an array. We can also add new values into an array without necessarily having to come and add values here. We can just make use of the push attribute in JavaScript. This is being used like this. Let's say I want to add a new value called Mary. I'll just call my array dot push Mary. If I console.log the whole entire array, the array is going to contain the value of Mary in it. Can you see? So we have 3, 4, Ada, John, number, and Mary. Note that Mary is not being added here. It is because I used the push attribute property to add the Mary value inside the array. If I comment it out, it's just the what I have there for that is going to be there. And see that Mary is not here. So let's revert back. So you can also split and join array values together. This is an index. They are separate entities inside the array. Let's say I want to join all of them together instead of having them as single entities. I'm going to make use of the property called join, which is going to be my array.join and I'm going to be specifying what I should use. I'm going to use to join them. So if I do this, open it in the browser, console.log my array.join. Let me say this is another variable called join array equals to. So I'm going to console.log join array. So this is meant to join the whole value. Can you see? That's joined the whole values inside the array. I can also go on and split what I just joined by calling the keyword split. Let me call this variable split array equals this time around is not going to be my array because I've already joined it here. So it's the join array. I'm going to call join array dot split. So the keyword is because that's what I used to join them. And I'm going to console.log split array and echo this. Can you see? So we have all these separated individually. We have 3, 4, 5. If you want to get it back in the format that we used, instead of using 2 apostrophe here, we can just use a comma. So at the end of each index is going to add a comma to it. Then also have this here. Sorry, it's meant to be inside to this thing. So can you see? We have it defined back. So that's basically how to join and split arrays, and also work with arrays in JavaScript.